Why do we sneeze? Ever wondered why we sneeze? It's a protective reflex. Our noses act like filters, trapping unwanted particles. When these intruders trespass, our body retaliates. It sends a signal to our brain, triggering a sneeze. This forceful expulsion launches the invaders back out. It's a defense mechanism, protecting our lungs from potential harm. But it's not just about health. Sneezing can also be triggered by a sudden exposure to bright light. So the next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body playing superhero. And remember to cover your mouth when you sneeze. Until next time, be good peeps.